Good morning, my children. I welcome to English class everybody. Generally, we Gujarati are adventurous. We Gujarati are spread all over the world. We are good merchants. We can do nice in mathematics. But when English comes, we afraid a little. It is not correct, but it is said that Gujaratis are poor at English. So, in the starting of my lecture, I would like to reflect about English. English is the easiest language to learn for anybody. Why? Why is the English easiest language to learn for anybody? I am not praising the English people, but I am telling you fact about them. We have often heard that the sun not only rises but also sets in the English rule. Why? Because the English people were hardworking and adventurous. Most of the inventions done in the world are by English people. I am not going to praise the English people, but I am telling you fact that the language English is made by these people. So, they have made the language so easiest to learn for any foreigner. And you know, now English is a very important language, not for education, but in business and for every purpose. We can't put a step ahead without English. We often call English an international language. Actually, it is a global language. It's a global language. We can consider English as the window of the world of the knowledge. If we want to learn computer, then we have to use English. I want to lighten you that don't afraid of English, because English is the easiest language. I am going to commence the first unit of class 8. The name of the unit is Q for question. In a starting of the lesson, here is given an imaginary interview. Why we call it imaginary interview? Because this interview is not actually taken, but it is imagined only. Before discussing this interview, I want to flash how can we take interview of any person. If we want to take interview of any person, first of all, generally we ask him about his schooling, then his college learning. After that, we try to know that about his works or his institutions established by him. Then we can ask awards or achievements achieved by him. Then we can ask in interview about some of his favorite things. At the end of the interview, generally we ask, what's your ambition? And interviewer shows his ambition of future. Generally we end the interview by giving him best wishes, by saying best luck or good luck. This is the method of having an interview. Here, in the starting of the unit, an imaginary interview of Miss Sunita Williams is given. Perhaps you know about Miss Sunita Williams. Before going ahead, we will remember Kalpana Chawla. You know about Kalpana Chawla. Kalpana Chawla was also a good astronaut. His country of origin was Punjab, Karnal. After taking his engineering, completing his engineering, he went to USA, Columbia, and he joined NASA. NASA, National Aeronautics and Space Administration. This is an institution, famous institution of America, USA. She was also joined with NASA in 1997. She was died in such a shuttle program. But we cannot forget her. And how can we forget Mr. Rakesh Sharma? He was also an Indian astronaut. He put the first step on the moon on behalf of Indian space program. So, here we are going to start the activity 1. Activity 1, here is an imaginary interview with a famous astronaut. We are learning about some words. Interview. In Gujarati, interview એટલે મુલાકાત, રૂબરૂ મુલાકાત. But interviewer, who takes interview is called interviewer, whereas the person who gives interview, it is called interviewee. I give also another word like this to you. Employer, the person who gives job or work is called employer, but the person who takes job is called employee. Here is another word in an interview, idol. Idol means in Gujarati murti, statue. But we have another word like idol. Idle. Idle means inactive, lazy. Whereas we have also another word, ideal. Ideal means શ્રેષ્ઠ પ્રકારનું, સારામાં સારું હોય તે. Let us start the interview. Interviewer say, hello, Miss Sunita Williams, welcome to our program. Interviewer સુનિતા વિલિયમ્સને પોતાના ઇન્ટરવ્યૂમાં વેલકમ કરે છે. સુનિતા વિલિયમ્સ સેઝ, હેલો, નાઇસ મીટિંગ યુ. Interviewer says, where do you work? Sunita Williams says, at NASA as a flight engineer. You know NASA now, National Aeronautics Space Administration. Where were you born? Ohio. Ohio is a city in USA. What is your date of birth? 19 September 1965. Sunita Williams was born in 1965 in a month of September on 19th. Where did you get your graduation from? તમે તમારું ગ્રેજ્યુએશન ક્યાંથી કર્યું? I did my graduation from Florida Institute of Technology. Which special items did you bring with you in the space first time, the Bhagavad Gita, the small idol of Ganesh, and a letter written in Hindi by my father. Then interviewer asked, who inspired you in your life and work? To inspire means to encourage, પ્રોત્સાહન આપવું, હિંમત આપવી, પ્રેરણા આપવી. But if we say discourage, it is antony. ના હિંમત કરવું, નિરાશ કરવું વગેરે. તમને તમારા કામમાં કોણે પ્રેરણા આપી? સુનિતા વિલિયમ્સ, મહાત્મા ગાંધી. Sunita Williams took inspiration from the life of Mahatma Gandhi. What is your country of origin? Origin. Origins means on, our own, આપણું પોતાનું. તમારો મૂળ દેશ કયો છે? Sunita Williams says India. In fact, my father Deepak Pandya is from Gujarat. In fact, actually, really, Sunita Williams જણાવે છે કે એના પિતા ખરેખર ગુજરાતના વતની છે. We know, you have also heard the name of Sujanpur in Mehsana district. Sunita Williams' father was born in Sujanpur, Mehsana. He is the famous neurologist in USA. He has also served USA. But Sunita was born in USA. And how Sunita became Sunita Williams? Sunita's spouse, her husband, was Williams. So she became Sunita Williams. But we are also proud of her because she has the record of the maximum walks in the space, and as a woman she has also a record of the maximum walks as astronaut on behalf of NASA. Read a word, nice meeting you, in this interview. When we greet somebody, then how can we greet? We say, hi, hello, how are you, good morning. We use these words to greet the persons. But when we meet somebody, and somebody greets us by saying hello, etc., then how can we respond? We respond them by saying, nice to meet you, nice meeting you, pleased to meet you, happy to meet you, glad to meet you. This is the way of responding greeting. Now we goes ahead, and I am going to start the main part of the unit, activity 4. First of all, I am making loud reading of the first paragraph of the unit. You will listen it carefully. First finger first. Vikas says, hello, good morning and welcome everybody. Today at our Smith Vidyalaya, we have the 4th annual Smart Student of the School contest. Our English teacher, Mr. Parmar, is the host of this competition, and with him, the scorer is Mr. Bright. He is on laptop. Our principal, Mr. Sharma, is the expert. Today we have 9 contestants They have computer screen in front of them. All of us are eagerly awaiting the start. So, let's not waste time. Vikas, hello, good morning and welcome everyone. વિકાસ સ્મિત વિદ્યાલયમાં સૌને આમ કહીને સૌનું સ્વાગત કરે છે. Today at our Smith Vidyalaya we have the 4th annual Smart Student of the School contestant. Annual means yearly. In Smith Vidyalaya they every year hold the competition name. Every year they hold the competition named Smart Student of the School contestant. Means who is the cleverest student not only in learning subjects but all over performance. Who is the smart student is decided by arranging this type of competition in Smith Vidyalaya every year. Vikas addresses the students, then he says, today at our Smith Vidyalaya we have the 4th annual Smart Student of the School contest. આજે આપણા સ્મિત વિદ્યાલયમાં ચોથા નંબરની સૌથી વધારે હોશિયાર વિદ્યાર્થી માટેની હરીફાઈ રાખવામાં આવેલી છે. Our English teacher Mr. Parmar is the host of this competition. Host, who holds the competition or event is called host, whereas who comes to take part in competitions or any event are called guest. Host and guest are antonyms. Here Smith Vidyalaya is host and the school which comes to take part are guest. Our English teacher, Amara English teacher Mr. Parmar is the host of this competition. એ આ હરીફાઈના આયોજક છે. The second meaning of the host in Gujarati is આયોજક. And with him the scorer is Mr. Bright. He is on laptop. અને તેમની સામે સ્કોરર તરીકે તેમનું પોતાનું લેપટોપ કમ્પ્યુટર મિસ્ટર બ્રાઇટ છે. Mr. Bright is the name given to the laptop of Mr. Parmar. Mr. Parmar is an English teacher, remember, and he is the host of the competition. Whereas our principal Mr. Sharma is the expert for each game, each event or for any competition. The expert is decided, and if there any complication or any problem, the expert clears and decides any matter. He is called expert. Expert for today's competition is Smith Vidyalaya is the principal Mr. Sharma. Today we have 9 contestants. આપણી પાસે આજે 9 સ્પર્ધકો છે. They have computer screens in front of them. In front of ગુજરાતીમાં ની સામે. દરેક સ્પર્ધકની સામે કમ્પ્યુટર સ્ક્રીન છે. All of us are eagerly awaiting the start. Await means wait. Both are similar words, just like wake and awake. In Gujarati, Jay and Vijay are same. Eager, atur. Eagerly is the adverb. Aturta purvak. દરેક જણ, all of us, આપણે સૌ શરૂઆત કરવા માટેની શરૂઆત થાય તેની રાહ જોઈ રહ્યા છીએ. So let's not waste time. તેથી ચાલો આપણે સમય બગાડીશું નહીં. વેસ્ટ, WASTE, waste means spoil, to make bad, to make useless, whereas this waste indicates the direction. This is the name of the direction, Paschim, west. Whereas with a little difference, waist is a part of the body, kamar. See the words, remember the word difference. Okay, now I am going to ask you some questions. What is the name of the competition? The name of the competition. The name of the competition is Fast Finger First Round. If I ask you, what is the name of the competition? The name of the competition is Smart Student of the School Contest. Who is the host of the competition? The English teacher, Mr. Parmar, is the host of the competition, or Mr. Parmar, the English teacher, is the host of the competition. Who is the expert for the competition? The principal of the school, Mr. Sharma, is the expert for the competition. How many contestants are there for the competition? There are 9 contestants for the competition. For what? All of them waiting. All of them are waiting for the starting of the competition. Everyone means everybody, all. We goes ahead. Next, Mr. Parmar says, thank you, Vikas. Hey everyone, welcome again, and all the best to the participants. You know, Mr. Parmar is the host of the competition. After addressing Vikas, Mr. Parmar holds the competition. Initially, he thanks Vikas, and then he welcomes all the participants and all the audience. Thank you. In English and in all languages, we express gratitude if somebody or someone do something for us. In English, there are so many nice words to express gratitude, to indicate gratitude. If somebody helps us or somebody do our work, then there are different ways to express gratitude. And like this, thanks. Thank you very much. Many, many thanks. Thanks a lot. And there are special words also to say thank. If we pleased with somebody's work, then we express gratitude by saying that, how nice of you, how nice of you. In Hindi serials we often listen, पापा आप कितने अच्छे हैं. In English, પાપા આપ કિતને અચ્છે હૈ, એના માટે આપણે બોલીએ છીએ, હાઉ નાઇસ ઓફ યુ ડેડ. પપ્પા નાની દીકરી માટે એને ગમતું સરસ ફ્રોક કે ડ્રેસ લઈ આવે છે. પપ્પા ઘરે આવે છે અને દીકરી રાહ જોઈને નાની બેઠી હોય, પપ્પા પહેલાં વસ્તુ બતાવતા નથી, સંતાડી દે છે પાછળ. દીકરી જોવા માટે આતુર હોય છે, બાજુમાં કોટ ઉપર ચડીને પપ્પાને હેરાન કરે છે કે મને વસ્તુ બતાવો. પપ્પા પણ સરપ્રાઈઝ આપવા માટે એને થોડી વાર પછી જ્યારે મનગમતો ડ્રેસ બતાવે ત્યારે દીકરી પપ્પાના ગળે વળગીને શું બોલશે? હાઉ નાઇસ ઓફ યુ ડેડ. આવી જ રીતે બીજો એક શબ્દ પણ થેન્ક યુ કહેવા માટે સરસ મજાનો ઇંગ્લિશમાં વપરાય છે. દીકરો છે સ્કૂલેથી ઘરે આવે છે અને રસોડામાંથી સરસ મજાની એને મનગમતી ભાવતી વાનગીની સુગંધ આવે, દોડતો દોડતો મમ્મી પાસે જશે અને એને ખબર પડશે કે એને ભાવતી વસ્તુ જ બની છે, તો મમ્મીને વળગી પડશે અને ઇંગ્લિશમાં એને આભાર વ્યક્ત કરવો હશે તો આવું બોલશે, So kind of you, mom. How kind of you, mom. Thus, we can express gratitude in English. I repeat again, thanks, thank you very much, thank you so much, many, many thanks, thanks a lot, how nice of you, so kind of you, etc. Participants, to participate, to take part in. Participants who takes part in event or game or competition or contest. Competition is the noun form. To compete is the verb. We give the different words to different type of competitions, different type of events. In game we use match, but when the competitions are of intellectual, then generally we use contest or competition for these type of competitions. Contestants says, thank you sir. Mr. Parmar, the first round is fast finger first round. Okay, ready? I'll give you a question on your computer. You will get maximum 7 seconds. The contestant with the quickest finger will come to this smart seat. Your time starts now. Mr. Parmar, શ્રીમાન પરમાર સૌથી પહેલાં રાઉન્ડનું નામ જણાવે છે બાળકોને. ધ ફર્સ્ટ રાઉન્ડ ઇઝ ફાસ્ટ ફિંગર ફર્સ્ટ. પહેલું રાઉન્ડ ફાસ્ટ ફિંગર ફર્સ્ટ રાઉન્ડ છે. આવું નામ એટલા માટે આપવામાં આવ્યું છે રાઉન્ડનું કે જેની આંગળી સૌથી પહેલાં કી ઉપર પડે અને સૌથી પહેલાં જેનો ટાઈમ નોંધાય એનો જવાબ સાચો હોય તો એ વિજેતા ગણાય. એટલે એને રાઉન્ડને આવું નામ આપ્યું છે. બધાને પૂછી લીધું કે રેડી છે? દરેકને 7 મેક્સિમમ, ધ મોસ્ટ, ધ અપોઝિટ વર્ડ ઓફ મેક્સિમમ ઇઝ મિનિમમ, ધ લીસ્ટ, ઓછામાં ઓછું. એવરી કોન્ટેસ્ટન્ટ વિલ ગેટ મેક્સિમમ 7 seconds to answer. The contestant with the quickest finger will come to this smart seat. The contestant who gives the answer first is called the quickest contestant and he will get turn to join the competition. Smart seat. Do you know कौन बनेगा करोड़पति? In this program, the seat for the contestant is called hot seat. Just like that, in this competition, the contestant who becomes able to take part first will sit on the seat, and that seat is called smart seat. Your time starts now. તમારો સમય હવે શરૂ થાય છે. Arrange the following words in correct order. Word order. Order. This word has two meanings in Gujarati. Order એટલે હુકમ. ઓર્ડરનો બીજો અર્થ થાય છે ક્રમ. Arrange the following words in correct order. નીચેના શબ્દોને યોગ્ય ક્રમમાં ગોઠવો. Make a sentence. વાક્ય બનાવો. Option A, best. Option B, friends. Option C, trees. Option D, are. And the last one, our. Contestants select their answers on the computer. The correct order is C, D, E, A, B. Now, I am asking some questions from this paragraph. Who will say me the name of the round? Yes, the name of the round is, the name of the first round is fast finger first round. Okay. Then, how many maximum time will every participant get? Okay. Every participant will get maximum 7 seconds. Who will sit on the smart seat? The contestant who is the quickest will sit on the smart seat. Okay. Here we conclude our today's teaching. Bye. Have a nice day.